Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Captain Usman Abdi Heibe from the Somaliland National Army. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the men and women in uniform here in Somaliland and the people we proudly serve, we extend our deepest gratitude to the State of Israel. It is government under the leadership of Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, and to the people of Israel for the historic recognition of the Republic of Somaliland as an independent and sovereign state. This moment conveys profound meaning for both of our countries. Somaliland and Israel, a nation is forged through hardship, resilience, and sacrifice. We have faced relentless opposition, powerful adversaries, and sustained efforts to deny our right to exist in peace and dignity. We have confronted terrorism on multiple occasions, proxy wars, economic blockade, and political isolation, sometimes all of these at once. Yet we endured. Through discipline, unity, and unbreakable commitment to our homeland, we survived and prevailed. Our histories reflect similar struggle and strength. We know what it means to defend our people against greater forces, to stand firm when recognition is delayed, and to build stability in regions where chaos was expected. This recognition honors our long and unwavering record of perseverance. Somaliland's National Army welcomes the new chapter of mutual recognition and cooperation between the Republic of Somaliland and the State of Israel. Partnerships in agriculture, health, education, technology, security, and economic development will transform both of our countries and contribute to regional stability and innovation. These ties will benefit not only our countries, but also our citizens, our youth, and the generations yet to come. History has shown that recognition between states ensures stability, rewards peace, and encourages lawful and responsible statehood. Together, we call upon other countries to follow Israel's principled example, to recognize the Republic of Somaliland based on facts, peace, a record of democracy, and responsible governance. Finally, to the people and leadership of Israel, thank you for standing on the right side of history. Thank you for recognizing the potential and promise that many who claim to be our brothers and sisters have failed to acknowledge. Thank you for honoring our right to self-determination. Your decision, which makes you the